Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to present to you the release notes of Boyum IT's Beas Manufacturing 2022.09. Our most important areas of improvement in this version include the optimization of the reservation window, batch calculation, the enhancement of the MRP transfer function, and the debug log, and most importantly, the change in the web configurator license. Let's see all these in detail. Before, it took time to load the issue window for finished products that contain items with serials. Now, the window has been optimized, and Beas can display the extensive list of the results in a reduced time. In this example, it took more than 16 seconds to build and display the window with almost 10,000 entries before this fix. After the optimization, it only takes a little bit more than 1 second. The support of the item unit of measure groups is limited in Beas. Now we support last purchase price for items managed with unit of measure groups. In SAP, an item can have several purchase prices. The first one is always in inventory unit of measure. The rest is in the unit defined in the example PO invoice. This means that you have a last purchase price per unit. A general last purchase price does not exist in SAP. Beas always works with price in inventory unit. Now in item master data, you can define the pricing unit. If the system finds a last purchase price in the pricing unit, it takes the price and converts it in inventory unit. Otherwise, it uses the last purchase price in inventory unit. All other price units are ignored. This is related to all program places where you can choose a price evaluation, that is, all receipt processes, pre and post calculation. Note, in other price lists and special price lists, the unit of measure groups are currently not supported. In the order recommendation window, the synchronization of the two warehouse from fields used to result in mismatch. Now the selected warehouse is displayed correctly in both areas. Also, the handling of the delivery date is now optimized. Before, the delivery date was set, but if you change the row, the delivery date field was reset as long as you did not select the delivery date manually. Now the delivery date that is set in the Order tab can also be set in the Transfer tab and vice versa. The previous license named Beas Product Configurator Single Sales User now is available in the License Boyum portal as Beas Product Configurator Single Sales User, Web Access, or SAP Client. This license is designed for sales users to use the Product Configurator interface for SAP sales quotations and sales orders without the need for a Beas Basic license or to access to the Web Configurator. In case of users that access the Web Configurator through SAP Sales Quotation or Order, if a user has a Beas Basic license, they do not need this license because they already have access to this function. An SAP user without a Beas Basic license could be assigned to this license to give access to the Product Configurator from the SAP Quotation or Sales Orders. The assigned licenses will have exclusive use of the assigned user from the SAP Sales documents. The rest of the licenses not assigned will be used by concurrency in the Web Configurator. Note, the assigned licenses are excluded from the availability for web access. So if a salesperson has an SAP user license assigned for sales orders and logs in through the Web Configurator, the web access will be consumed as an additional license each time they access it. As for concurrence of users, the assignment and release of the Web Configurator licenses will be carried out identically to the license application in the Web Apps terminal. For further details and examples, please read our article. Now, the creation of a debug file is much faster than in the past for debug logs with many recorded lines. On a test system, we recorded a debug log with more than 9,000 lines, which resulted in a 10 MB debug file. Before the optimization, the creation of the file took almost 10 minutes. After this optimization, the same process finishes in less than 3 minutes. According to our release roadmap, our next version will be 2022.11 to be released at the end of November 2022. Thank you for your attention.